Hello, thanks for entrusting InsurEasier to accommodate your insurance needs. This tutorial will guide you through how to install the InsurEasier app and allow push notifications so you never miss a chat or important update. Push notifications let you know when new messages arrive in your InsurEasier portal, so you can respond quickly and stay connected with agents. We've found that enabling notifications through the installed app works best, so let's start there. Note that we'll be showing this process on an Android mobile device using Chrome. Unless you're an agent onboarding, InsurEasier works on other browsers as well, but Chrome is the only one fully tested at this time. The steps are similar on desktop or other browsers, though menus may look a little different. Installing the InsurEasier app. 1. Go to https://app.insureasier.com. 2. Tap the ellipsis at the top right corner of your browser. 3. Scroll down and select Add to Home Screen. 4. When prompted, select Install. 5. A confirmation modal will appear. Select Install again. Once installed, the InsurEasier app will appear on your home screen. You can also access it through your notification menu. On Android, this is a drop-down panel from the top of the screen. For Apple, swipe down from the top right corner to access notifications. Now open the InsurEasier app and log in. After logging in, you'll see a modal asking if you'd like to allow notifications. Please select Allow. To start, you can navigate freely through the app, but do not close it completely until you've begun communicating with agents. The app and notifications work best when you stay logged in and keep the app open in the background. And that's it. You're now set up to receive push notifications directly through the InsurEasier app. If for any reason you're unable to install the app, don't worry. You can still enable push notifications directly through your browser. Please follow steps 1 through 4 as follows. Step 1. Log in and stay logged in. Make sure you're logged into the InsurEasier portal and stay logged in. If you log out or close Chrome, push notifications may stop working. Keeping your session active ensures you'll receive real-time updates and chat alerts. Step 2. Allow notifications prompt. When logged in, you may see a prompt asking to allow notifications. If so, select Allow. If you didn't get the prompt or accidentally dismissed it, refresh the page by pulling down from the top or tapping the refresh icon. And if you accidentally selected Block, don't worry. We'll cover how to fix that later on. Step 3. Enable notifications in Chrome settings. 1. Tap the ellipsis at the top right corner of your browser. 2. Scroll down and select Settings. 3. Scroll to Notifications. Make sure both All Chrome Notifications and Allow Notification dot are turned on. Next, select Show Unused Categories. It will disappear after tapping. Then tap the down arrow beside Sites. Find app.insureasier.com and make sure it's on, then tap it. Step 4. Configure InsurEasier notifications. Inside the InsurEasier notification settings, ensure notifications are turned on. Turn on Pop On Screen. Make sure a sound is associated with notifications. Confirm Show Notification dot is enabled. Then use the back arrow to navigate back to the InsurEasier website. Note: troubleshooting notification issues. If you're still not receiving notifications, whether through the app or browser, here are a few things to try. Uninstall and reinstall the app. If notifications aren't coming through, uninstall the InsurEasier app, then reinstall it by following the installation steps at the beginning of this video. After reinstalling, log back in, select Allow Notifications when prompted, and keep the app open while communicating with agents. Reset permissions. Tap the filter icon to the left of the website address, URL. Select Permissions, then Reset Permissions, and confirm. Refresh the page and follow the steps again. And that's all there is to it. By installing the InsurEasier app and enabling notifications, you'll stay instantly connected and never miss an update, inquiry, or chat.